What's up, dropshippers? My name's Alex and I'm back with another winning products video. So as you guys already know, we're pretty deep into Q4 already. Black Friday is coming right up, and with this strange year that we have upon us, there is going to be a surge of online shopping. So this Black Friday, Cyber Monday will be historical. So I hope you guys are already getting your store set up and doing well. But when I get back home, I have a few more stops to make. I have a few packages to drop off, but as soon as I get back, we're gonna dive into my computer. I'll show you guys my actual product research strategy, how I find these products, as well as the actual products themselves, some interests you can target, as well as some marketing angles that you guys can use. So as soon as we get back, we're going to dive into all of that. Okay, so as I mentioned, I'm going to be going over my actual product research strategy before we dive into these products. So there's a couple paid and a couple free ways of finding these winning products. Now obviously the first couple of ways you can think of is just scrolling through your news feed, seeing what's working for other brands, following other brands closely, but you want to stay above the competition, so you don't exactly want to be late to the game finding these products, because a lot of times when you actually find products that way, they'll already be saturated and people are already jumping on it. So the first way that I actually use is the paid method. This is an ad spy tool, but this is Drop a Spy. It's just like ad spy, but much cheaper and in my opinion much better. So there's some criteria you can choose on here with different filters, but if you click filters, there's a lot of different criteria that you can choose to find these ads. But let's just say we're looking for Christmas products. So under here for text search, you can just type in Christmas and search, and you'll see a bunch of different products or ads that actually contain the word Christmas. Now, there's a ton of different methods you can use for this, but we're just looking for, let's say, Christmas products under this. Okay, so moving over to the actual AliExpress Dropshipping Center, this is another great tool for finding these products. And essentially this just gets all the products together that are performing well right now for other stores and other dropshipping companies. And you can see really what's trending up and kind of catch these before others do. So as you can see right here, you got the chip sealer. I've sold that in the past. You got some Christmas puzzles and all of that. Now, like I mentioned with the ad tool, there's different criteria you can choose. You can choose orders up in, let's say, the United States. Now these are products that are trending in the United States, up and trending and selling for other stores right now. And yeah, so just apply some of the criteria on there. You can actually do the text search like I did last time and type in Christmas if you want to find Christmas related products that are performing well. So just, play around with those two tools and you can find some great products doing that. Okay, the first winning product that I have for you guys is actually making a comeback this year. Now this is something that you guys have probably seen in the past, and in my opinion it's very saturated, no doubt about that. But like I said, it's making a comeback this year. Anytime it starts to get cold, I see this product pop up all over and people sell it as fast as they can, scaling their stores to as high as possible. So if you take a look at this, they have 4 different colors available, and there's a video to show you how this works. You can actually probably download this and use it for some of your own video ads if you don't actually feel like ordering this product yourself, or if you don't have enough time to. So it's $2.59 with free shipping, so we can get some pretty good margins with that, but at the same time you probably wouldn't expect this to be worth too much, so you probably can't get away with selling it for too much. So let's go ahead and find a store that's actually selling this right now and look at what they're doing. Okay, so I found this store on Google just searching the product, and as you can see right here, they have the 4 colors available. Well, it actually shows up green is sold out, and then they have these set of 4 where you can actually, according to them, save $20. And I like the way they have that all set up there. They have pictures of it in use. Probably could use better pictures, no doubt about that. If they are trending higher up on Google, they're probably doing a good volume of sales. And I would say they probably should order this product and start shooting custom content at this point, because this does not look like a page you should see at the top of Google in my opinion. But other than that, they have the features, they have the good reviews. Could be a little bit cleaner, but they're doing a good job in my opinion. Now the price point for this, anywhere from, let's say, $10 to $15. Interests, you can target by locations. You can actually target people in colder areas where it's winter now. You can target interests such as snow, cold, stuff like that, but just be creative with it. There's not really too much that goes into this product, so I'll leave that there. Okay, so the next product I have for you guys, I have also sold this in the past, and this is the 100 Languages I Love You heart necklace. Now there's a ton of different models of this available. I've sold this one in the past, this model. I've also sold this model, but I don't think I've actually messed with any of these before. But if you look at this store, the reviews aren't too good, but if you look at the actual product, the reviews are pretty good. So I don't know, you might want to find a different supplier. You might want to message some people around and see if they can actually handle the volume, if you guys are able to push through the volume. But anyways, so essentially, yeah, when you look through this little piece in the necklace right here, you can shine a flashlight through it and it projects I love you in 100 different languages. Now this is a great product right now because Black Friday is coming up and everyone is starting their Christmas shopping. So you can essentially target people, you can use this angle of marketing with this product to show people that they love this holiday season, get it for your close ones, stuff like that. So you can target people with anniversaries coming up. But anyways, let's go look at what another store is actually doing with this product right now. Okay, so I found the store at the top of Google, just like the last product, and as you can see right here, they are selling this model specifically, and they have it available in silver and rose gold. So they have a couple pictures of the product in use, and the actual projection that it shows. So they're pricing it at $30 compared at $60, so they're pricing it for 50% off essentially. That could be a good marketing angle. They have a couple gifts showing it in use, the benefits, and the reviews for the product. So there's a few different things you could do with this. Like I mentioned, target people with anniversaries coming up. I don't know, I can't really think of too many marketing angles on this right now. I will have to look back at what I did in the past, but yeah, just be creative with this. Okay, so the last product I have for you guys are these LED string Christmas lights that you can control the color with your phone. So these are pretty cool. I've been seeing these pop up in a few stores. I've been finding a lot of ads for this on the ad finder. So it's really essentially performing well for other stores. So if you look at the reviews on the store, they're actually pretty great. There's only one review on this product. Just shows picture of the product, says it works, but you might want to find other suppliers for this. There are a ton on AliExpress. You can mess it around, but there's different length options, 100 lights, 150, 200, and there's a ton of different marketing angles you can use on this. Like right there, it shows you can use it as bedroom lights, outdoor lights just around your house. You can use them for the Christmas tree, obviously. So a lot of people are going to be spending a lot more this year on Christmas supplies, and you can target those people just using them as Christmas string lights, because this is a pretty cool product. It definitely has that wow factor. So let's go ahead and find a store that's actually selling this product. Okay, so we found this store with the $18 price point, and this is selling for $30. The margins are pretty slim, so like I mentioned, you might want to find a different supplier or message around to see if you can find it cheaper, letting them know, what kind of volume you're pushing and all that. A lot of them are willing to work with you, so they're marketing this around the Christmas tree style. Oh, actually, they're using a lot of the same picture, or they're using all the same pictures from AliExpress, so I don't know what they're doing with this, but they have gifts, they have the benefits, talk about the phone app with all that. They don't have any reviews for it or anything like that, but I would say 30 is a good price point on that. It shows up saying they have reviews, but they don't actually show any, so that's kind of sketchy. But yeah, essentially this is another good product to target. Just target a bunch of Christmas interest and promote it on Black Friday with everyone going around doing their Christmas shopping. And along with that, I have one more bonus item for you guys. It's something that makes another comeback every single year, just like the first product I went over, and that would be the meteor shower tree lights. And same thing with the LEDs. It's just another Christmas decoration. It has that wow factor. It's definitely really cool, and it pops up every single year, and I've been seeing it pop up this year as well, pushing crazy amounts of volume. So you can see right here, ship from China, you got the different plug options, which you're going to want to put on your store, because if you send someone the wrong plug option, they are going to be pissed. So right here you got the $11 to $13 price point, $3 shipping. You can probably find this cheaper. Like I said, message around. That's the best way to do it. So let's go ahead and find a store that's actually selling this. Okay, so this is one of the first few stores on Google, and as you can see right here, I really like the way they got this set up. Buy 4 get 4 free, buy 8 get 8 free, buy 16 get 16 free. They have the different plug options, different colors available. It's a little spammy with the trust badges and the moving add to cart button. There's a few different things I would change about this description, obviously. So I do like that they have a video showing it in use. Yeah, so doing well with that. They have the gifts, they have the features. Like I said, it's a little spammy. I would word this differently, and I don't like the way it's all thrown together. It's a little too much, but that's the product. Let's see, they're selling it for $40 for 4. Well, you get 8 for free essentially, and then for the 16 and 16, the 32 is $80. So you can hit some pretty good margins with this. People don't really know the exact value behind certain things like this, so you can really push the prices up there and make some sales, throw in some discount codes while you're at it, and the same Christmas interest as the product before. So good luck with all of these products, guys, and let me know if you have any questions at all. By now, I hope you found a few products that you guys are comfortable selling this time of year. If this video helped you out in any way, go ahead and drop a like to help me out, and subscribe, as there's plenty more to follow. I have 2 ecom resources linked in the description below. You can check out our free Facebook group as well as our Instagram page with tons of useful content and resources on there. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.